Good day everyone. My topic is all about ethical and social responsibility of entrepreneurs. There are 5 parts of ethical and social responsibility of entrepreneurs. 1 is ethical challenges faced by entrepreneurs. 2 is social responsibility and organizational climate. 3 is influence of society, culture and peer pressure. 4 is ethics in an international context. And the last one is definition of ethics. Ethical challenges faced by entrepreneurs. These are the difficult moral dilemmas and decisions entrepreneurs encounter due to constant stress, personal investment, and often a lack of formal ethical guidelines or role models. They must rely heavily on their personal values and moral beliefs to determine appropriate actions, balancing business goals with societal expectation. Ethical challenges faced by entrepreneur. The hard decision about what is right or wrong in running the business entrepreneur is under a lot of stress and also spend their own money and time. Need man gyud nato mag-spend og money for business because para sa atong pagsugod sa business. Also, they have to use their own values to decide what to do. For example, treating employees fairly, deciding whether to follow environmental eco-friendly and handling conflicts with partners and competitors in a fair way. These challenges are part of being a business owner. Isn't just about money, it's also about making choices that are ethical and responsible owner. Social responsibility and organizational climate. Social responsibility refers to a business's commitment to ethical and sustainable practices that contribute to the well-being of society and environment. Beyond just maximizing profits, organizational climate is the shared perceptions employees have about their workplace, including its policies, practices, procedures, and the overall atmosphere. Social responsibility and organizational climate are important for a successful and ethical business. So unsa day ni sila? So social responsibility means company or business cares about doing good for society, and the organizational climate naman is how employees feel about their workplace, excluding how they treated. So the example of social responsibility is the grocery store use eco-friendly packaging. And for the organizational climate, they treat employees fairly and fair schedules. Influence of society, culture, and peer pressure. This refers to how external factors like community social norms, cultural expectations, national values, and the action of competitors and peers shape an entrepreneur's ethical behavior and decision-making, often overriding or modifying personal value systems. Influence of society, culture, and peer pressure means entrepreneurs' decisions are affected by the people and environment around them, like community expectations, cultural traditions, and what other business or competitors do. These pressures can sometimes make them act differently from what they personally believe is right. For example, a business owner wants to pay fair wages and use eco-friendly materials, but most other local businesses pay less and cheaper materials to stay competitive and meet customers' expectations. The owner might like pressured to lower wages or use cheaper options even if it goes against their personal values. Ethics in an international context. This refers to the study and application of ethical principles when businesses operate across different countries, recognizing and respecting diverse ethical standards shaped by various cultures while still maintaining core moral principles. Ethics in an international context means when a business operates in different countries, since each country have their own culture, traditions, and rules about what is right or wrong. Business need to respect these differences while still keeping basic moral principles like honesty, fairness, and safety. For example, a fast food chain expands to another country where food safety standards are lower. The company keeps its own high safety standards to protect customers. And the last one, definition of ethics. Ethics refers to the study of what is right and good for humans. It explores the general nature of morals and the specific moral choices individuals making in their relationships with others. For entrepreneurs, ethics guides decision-making processes and helps ensure responsible conduct toward stakeholders and society. Definition of ethics is about knowing the difference between right and wrong and making good choices in how we treat other people. For entrepreneurs, ethics helps them make fair and responsible decisions that respect their employees, customers, partners, and society as a whole. For example, a restaurant discovers that some food served was slightly past its expiration date. Instead of selling it to avoid losses, the owner discards it and informs customers, prioritizing safety and responsibility. And that's all. Thank you.